So we know that x to the power of a times x to the power of b, you simply get a plus b. So let's try and understand why the two bases needs to be the same in order for this formula to work. So for example, if you have 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 2, because the two bases are the same, then you can add. So that would be 3 to the power of 7. But if you have like 3 to the power of 5 times, let's say 7 squared, the two bases are different. And here you can't add them. Here you can't simply add the two indices. Let's try and understand why that's the case. So going back to here, this thing here means 3 times by its exact same self 5 times. Hang on. So you got 3 times by itself 5 times. And then here you've got 3 times by itself twice. So that's twice here. Well, here you can see that a quick way of writing this whole thing, 3 times 3 times 3, blah, blah, a quick way of writing it would be 3 to the power of 7. Because 3 to the power of 7 means you get 3 times by itself 7 times. So you can jump from here to here and vice versa. Well, if you have 3 to the power of 5 times 7 to the power of 2, the reason why this doesn't work is because here you've got 3 times by itself 5 times, and then 7. There's no quick way of writing this. There's just like here, because all these are the same, then you can write 3 to the power of 7. But here, there's no quick way of writing this. You've got no choice but to write it as 3 to the power of 5 7 squared. This is the neat way of writing it. This is the neat way of writing it. You can't write it any shorter like up here. Up here you can, because all the bases are the same. Okay.